Hello students, in this lesson we are going to discuss the answers for our previous day challenge, which is on unitary method. If you have not done the problems yet, please go back to the previous video, complete the problems, and here you will find the answers. And I would like to congratulate all the students who are very consistent till this point. And if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, please join to get more practice questions on the topic. Now let's begin our answers for our previous day challenge. So the two questions are this. Now let's dive into the very first question, where a printer prints 60 pages in 3 minutes. How many pages can it print in 8 minutes? So let's break it down with our two steps. The first step is find how many pages it can print in 1 minute. So in 1 minute it can print. The operation is division. So 60 divided by 3 gives you 20 pages. Now we have to find how many pages it can print in 8 minutes. So they are asking the value of many. You have the value of 1. Now they are asking the value of many. So multiply. If I get the unit value, which is 20, and multiply it with 8, you get 160 pages. So this is the answer for our first question, which is very simple. Hope you got the correct answer. If so, great thumbs up. Even if not, I hope you learned it now. Now coming to the next question, which says a car uses 5 liters of petrol to travel 60 kilometers. How much petrol will it need for 150 kilometers? So let's break it down again. The first step, find the value of single unit. So 1 liter can cover how many kilometers? So obviously division. So 60 divided by 5 gives you 12 kilometers. So in 1 liter, the car can cover a distance of 12 kilometers. Now coming to our next step, there is a small twist in this question. Usually what the question would be, how many kilometers can it cover with a petrol of 5 liters or 10 liters? So what we will do, we already got the value of 1 liter. We'll multiply and we get the value of many, like for 5 liters or 10 liters and so on. But here in the question, they are asking how much petrol is needed to cover a distance of 150 kilometers. So you need to do the reverse here. Since the reverse quantity has been asked, you do the reverse. So 150 divided by 12, which gives you 12.5. So we need 12.5 liters to cover a distance of 150 kilometers. I hope you are getting the answer. Always try to understand the question with a logic, then the problem becomes easy for you. If you have given the correct answer, then great job. Keep working. And if not, I hope you understood now. Do it till you get it right. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I see you again with our next interesting lesson in the tomorrow's lesson. Bye-bye. See you.